So Cherry Energy is an energy solutions company. Our goal is to help our clients reduce their energy costs, and there's key ways we can do that. The first is through energy procurement. By negotiating a better rate with their electricity retailer, then we can help them save money each year. Key segments of our business are LED and lighting upgrades, which we've implemented at the Spotlight and Anaconda stores here. So Grant, why did you choose to partner with Cherry Energy for this project?
Well, Nick, we went through an extensive program. I needed someone that was professional, someone I could trust. It was a proper tender we went through, and I'm very happy with the outcome of the company of Cherry that we've chosen.
I would thoroughly recommend Cherry Energy, and I don't say that lightly. These guys were really, really good. They were really efficient, very respectful of our working space, in particular a distillery, which is a hazardous zone. Super efficient, and the solar system we've got I couldn't be happier with.
I really like being a Cherry employee. Renewables is a passion of mine, so it's a pleasure to go to work each day and help businesses like Spotlight and Anaconda reduce their energy costs.